Yeah, that could turn that one too. So maybe I don't know if they loosened up.
I think we just kind of forgot this side, to be unfortunate about it.
Maybe we had to go back over them after they were, because you can still turn them a couple.
Right.
That's got to be tight. Man. So what we did was we blew the gasket out.
Man. So I came over to see Justin again, trying to mess with the carburetors on the blown 383 because we cannot get it to idle good, and it's still doing some back popping through the carbs. So just figured I'd ride on over and try to help him get it figured out. We noticed a couple things here. Found this piece of gasket laying in here.
Water pump.
Very unfortunate.
And yesterday when I was messing with stuff looking for leaks, I found some piece of that gasket on the back.
Oh yeah, there was another chunk on the back. So it looks like it blew the gasket out from where the blower mounts to the manifold. And unfortunately we found out these bolts, somehow we forgot to really tighten them good.
Yeah, or I just don't think they would loosen up over time.
No, I don't think they would have either. Not that bad. Because as soon as I stuck the wrench on,
you could move it.
They were, yeah. So I'm not going to say finger tight, but they were. All I had to do was bust it, and yeah, they were loose.
We jumped straight to this side and forgot to tighten that.
So yeah, somehow, unfortunately. And so another thing was the power booster over there. They had it coming up here with a T, and it was going into both carburetors. So he done away with that and just running it in one straight into the manifold here, and that way we can just block off the carburetor ports there. It doesn't need to be sharing between the two carburetors.
Yeah, just one.
So
hard enough to sink them alone.
Right. Yeah, exactly. So we're going to go ahead and pull the blower back off. He's going to order the gasket. When it shows up, come back, get everything together, try to tune it, and we'll see what we got this time.
Yeah, thanks, Steve.
Yes, sir. I don't know which one of us, but all right. So it was
feature here.
Definitely leaking. As you can see, it was blowing out right here, and that's the chunk of gasket that was in the front and blowing out the back. And he found that one.
Yeah.
It was even blowing over into the side here.
Jeez, my bad.
So one of us, I really don't remember.
I think we were just in a rush to get it all put that together.
I hope and pray. I don't think anything else got overlooked. I was more concerned with the cam area and the lifters and rockers and doing all that correct. We just got in a big hurry with this, I guess. Woo. So it's going to order a new gasket for it. We'll get it all cleaned up and get that back on. Make sure she's nice and tight. Maybe even torque it this time.
You can see, like, yeah, I did blow the gasket out the back. That's all missing. That's what I found back here.
Yep.
And then,
damn, it was blowing all down in. Oh my God! Yeah, so it got sucked into the actual. It actually got sucked down into the ports there.
Yep.
Huh. Oh well, it'll definitely run better when we get it tight.
Perfect. Who knows?
That's what we're hoping for. All right, let's see what we got when she's done. All right, so I was gone for a couple days. Justin had to go out of town, had to order the gaskets. So he's got the gaskets in. I decided to come back over and give him a hand putting everything back together. And let's see if we can get this thing running right. Here he is, making an entrance. Yeah, woo. Nice day to be on the bike. That is sweet. What do you think, Jasper?
What up, Jasper?
All right, so we set the blower back down on there, and I'm going to go ahead and tighten all the bolts, and I'm going to do them myself just to make sure nothing gets overlooked this time, because last time we were both kind of doing stuff on each side, trying to get it done quick, and I'd rather not rush. He had to run to the store anyway to grab another carburetor base gasket. He ordered 2 online, but only 1 showed up, so he's going to run up the street real quick and grab one, so I figured we'd set this on, and that way I can start tightening everything down, and hopefully it'll be ready for the carburetors when he gets back in a few minutes. All right, so everything's back together, and we're going to give her a shot, see what happens. So hope for the best.
The pedal just stuck all the way down.
Uh-oh. Push it down.
That's goes.
All right, so she is definitely running a lot better, but unfortunately, we're going to have to do some more adjustments here. We've been messing with the linkages because they kind of had all this boogered up. I had to turn this around because it was hitting the manifold there. sounding. Yeah, thank you, man. Definitely sounding a lot better. But I can't tune it all the way because if I want to get the idle down enough, this one's coming out. So we're going to have to undo these and move them a little on it. But we'll probably have to do that a little later. It's getting too dark. The neighbors probably ain't going to like this very much. But she is sounding good now. God, no more popping.
No more popping. That was it, man.
All right, hell yeah. Now we'll have to play with those linkages a little bit more when we get a little time, because we wound up flooding it a little while ago. We've been messing with it so much, and then it got to where the pedal was sticking going down to the floor and not releasing. So with us messing with it so much, we sprayed so much fuel in with those double pumpers. It actually had the motor where it didn't want to start at first, so we had to let it sit a while. And so now we'll have to mess with the linkage a little more to get it where I can get it idle down a hair. Yay! It's running good now.
Are you so excited?
I am. Yeah, I know. Been waiting to hear it run right. But we went ahead and undid the linkage real quick and moved it. So now everything. Now she's doing like she should. Woohoo!
I can't believe it.
Sweet.
4 or 5 months ago, finally runs.
Yeah, finally running, huh?
Steve with Bass Motorsports.
What the heck was that? Trying to find that first.
Like a Ferrari. That's how you found it. You found it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Still sparked it.
All right, so she's making so much damn power now. It's flexing the whole motor up. I guess the trans mount's a little weak or something, letting everything rise forward because it's got solid motor mounts. They're metal motor mounts, but unfortunately, it took some chunks out of the hood. That's what that, all the sparks and stuff in the other shot was. But she is running good now, man. Definitely running good and clean. So thanks for checking out this video. And if you like what you're seeing, hit that like and hit the subscribe if you haven't. Trying to get the little channel to grow. Y'all stay tuned for the next Vast Motorsports episodes. Thank you.